Hey, what's up everybody? It's Taikina Beauty. I'm so excited because this is my first Halloqween look. It is June 2021. It's like June 23rd, 2021, and I'm doing my Halloqween makeup look. I'm so excited for you guys. I wanted to do this look last year, but I'm gonna do Dionne from Clueless. I already did some outfits of her, and like I'm gonna compile a video, and I'm so excited. It's gonna look so cute. But I'm gonna do this makeup look for you, so we have a video for you guys. And let me show you the date so you guys don't think I'm capping. Oh, it's June 25th. June 25th. Tyler the Creator's wonderful album came out. I will be listening to it. I've listened through it once, but I have like 3 or 4 songs I really like on repeat, so I will be playing. You guys won't be hearing that, of course. You're gonna hear my voiceover. But I'm super excited for this makeup tutorial. I love this makeup look. I've been wearing it ever since lately. You guys have seen it on my Instagram. Well, probably not. By the time you guys see this video, I'll probably be out of that phase. But I think it's a really cute look for the summertime. It's just a pop of color without doing neon. I just feel like neon for summertime is so cliche, so I'm not going to do it, but I think this is like a cute ode to that. So let's get into it. I'm super excited. I did my eyebrows off camera, so now we just need to do the face and the eye look. Let's get into it. Okay, so this. And I need like a mirror. I'm like just sitting here with no type of like fucking mirror. Gonna give me a mirror. Pinkier undertone. This one's more neutral. Yeah. That's it. Shouldn't answer back. That's so interesting.
These cramps have my body leaving its soul.
Oh my god, I'm running out of concealer.
Y'all be killing me on here. LA made.
I'm giving Cake Queen up in here.
Extremely nuts.
I think we did something here. Okay, now let me get into the outfit and I'll be right back. I lied, but there we have it. This is the look. It's so cute. This is Stacey Dash, aka Dionne from Clueless. She was so beautiful. One of my inspirations growing up as a kid. We come from the same background, so I tried to do the same thing I did last year with Lisa Lopez. I really hope you guys like this look. I adore this look. This is like the most iconic thing with the flowers. If you liked it, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time for my next look. Bye. Later.